Hi, photography class. All right, so for this week's Bokeh holiday greeting, we are going to be working on making a bokeh portrait. So that's the first thing you want to do. This one was done by one of you guys, one of your peers. So thanks to that. And once you add a few edits to it, so I didn't add much. I added like a little bit of a brown filter to it and resized it down so I could have a nice little border. To transform it from a photo into a greeting card or a holiday card, all you have to do is add a little bit of text, maybe some borders, some special effects, stuff like that. And so I'm going to show you guys how I created some of these text functions. But I don't like the default fonts in Photoshop or in your computer. So know that you have a ton of fonts in your Adobe Creative Cloud desktop application. So all you have to do is go to Manage Fonts here, and you can look through the fonts that you already have, or you can browse for more fonts. So from there, Internet Explorer should open up, and it'll allow you to search by fonts based off of special tags. So I found mine using the calligraphy tag. I typed in a sample text. I just put Merry Christmas to see what it would look like. And I looked through the fonts until I found one I was happy with. So let's say you find a font that you really like. All you have to do is click View Family and activate that font. You can see what it's kind of looking like in some examples here. And so all I have to do is click Activate Fonts, and it's being installed. I'll take note of what it's actually called, and then once I start using my text function, it will be available in my fonts, okay? So that's super easy. Best way to get really nice fonts. If you're wanting to create kind of like a silver gold plated text, kind of like I did here, all I did was I found a gold image online. So I searched for gold color. I found a gold color kind of like this, and I just copied and pasted it into my Photoshop document by adding a new file or a new layer. So once you add a layer, you can paste it in there and then work from there. So in order to get the text to work and the text to be gold, all you have to do is layer your gold color above your text font. Right-click the gold and say, mine's actually a clipping mask, so you would say create clipping mask, and that will create it into a clipping mask and not let it affect all the layers underneath it. So then instead of a white font, I have a nice gold shiny font. Okay? So that's how you can create just a few special effects to make it go from a photo to a Christmas holiday card.